Hello friends, today in this video we will see that how you can print your invoice in local language like Hindi or any other language with the help of Mark ERP. And take care of this thing that you should know the typing of that language in which you are printing an invoice. So now, firstly, in whichever language you want to print the invoice, install that font firstly, and along with it, you will take care of this thing that you should know the typing. So for an example, now we will print invoice in Hindi language in this video. And we have already provided Hindi font in our software. You will open Mark folder. You will get fonts folder in this. Open it. Now as here is Hindi font K010. We will install it. We will take care of this thing that if you are downloading any other font, then firstly paste that in font folder of Mark, then install it. Or if you want, then you can paste font in the font folder of Windows as well. Now after installing font, now let's see how will you implement this in the software. Firstly, you will go to Masters, then to Mark Setup, then go to Control Room and search Self Font. Here you will get an option Party Name and Address in Self Font. If you will do it yes, so you will get an option of Self Font Name in the ledger of the party where you can type party name and address by using your own font. So as we do yes here, so font dialog box will open and select the font which we have installed. As we have installed Hindi font, so select Kruti Dev 010 here for Hindi font. As well as you can select font style and size as well. After this, here is the next option, self font name separate print name. It means you will get the separate field of print name in an item where you can use your own font. Then for this, you will select small y here, press enter. As you will press enter, it will come to print name field. Press enter here again, then font dialog box will open. And here as we will select Kruti Dev 010 for Hindi font, and here you can select font style and size. Now save the changes. After this, when you will press F3 key to modify ledger of any party, then here you will get an option self font name. And now here you will type party name and address in Hindi. Now as we have done to type Ahuja Medicine Center in Hindi. So as you will see keyboard on the screen, on keyboard that A letter is on V. Press V. Then sign of A is on letter K. Press K. For her, press G. We will press Q for the sign U. Press T for J. And then press K for the sign of A. So you can see we are done with the typing of Ahuja. And in this way, we will type medicine center and we will type address as well. And this name and address will be shown to you in your invoice. After this, when you will create any item or if you will modify it, so as we have told you, the separate field of print name will be shown. And you can type in that font which you have selected, like we did Hindi. So as we type here product name and take care of this thing that this product name will be shown to you in invoice. So as we type here Bicasol. So you will see here keyboard on screen that letter B is on C. Then we will press letter C. Then sign of E is on letter H. K letter is on D. So in this way we will type here Bicasol and save it. So in this way, after typing party name, address and item name in Hindi, we will design invoice format. And to design invoice format, you will go to Masters, then to Mark Setup, then come to Self Format, then enter the current date in reverse format and come to Invoice Format GUI and select Bill Format. Now as we want to print party name and address in header, which we have typed in Hindi, so go to header for that. Press F1 key and search self font party name for party. Press enter and paste command here by pressing F3. And as well as press F5 here. Then change the font. Select Hindi font here as well. Do OK. Then press F3. Then paste it. And search self font party address for party address. Press enter on self font party address 1. And by pressing F3, paste the command here. As well as you will change its font here. And similarly, if there is address 2 and 3, then you can change it in this way only. Along with it, if you want to write any text manually in Hindi, like if you want to write Shri instead of Messrs, then you will see which letter is on Shra on the keyboard. So as there is letter J on Shra, and along with it you will see it is capital J, then you will type capital J here. Then use the sign of E which is on letter H. Similarly, whatever you will write manually will be converted in Hindi in an invoice. So after designing header in this way, we will save it by doing Ctrl+W. After this, we want item to be printed. So come to item from here, search print name by pressing F1. Here you will get the command item generic name, print name. Press enter on it, and now wherever is the command of the product, like here press F3 command, then paste it. And along with it, change its font as well, and then save it with Ctrl+W. After this, now generate the bill for Ahuja Medicine Center and select the item Bicasol and save it. And now we will see its preview by pressing letter F. So you can see party name and address is in Hindi, the text which was written manually, it is also shown, and along with it, item name is also shown in Hindi. So in this way you can print your invoice in local language. Thanks for watching.